Alright, I'm just going to quickly go over the things that I did tonight to go through and so to give it some explanation. So first off, I created this project. It's a Nest.js project. This is going to be the API. So it's written in a framework called Nest.js. There are three different things I created. I created three different modules: a student module, a task module, and a teacher module. Students will obviously be the students. Tasks will be the tasks that a student can complete, and teachers will manage students. So that's just the start of what I've got. The student module, I've started with a controller. The controller is it was already up. It has 4 routes: put, post, delete. These 3 I haven't done anything with. The get is the one I've done something with. So it's got a get route that is has a ID as a parameter. So student is the base route, and then so to get there you'd go to, like, if it's running on localhost, you'd go to localhost localhost :3000/student/ID, or I mean slash and then whatever the ID would be. I created in Postman, I created a test for get student, so the base URL, which the base URL is localhost 3000, and then the student ID, which is 1, and in my running in locally, I created some mock data. My mock data, see, I've got 1, 2, 3. Now with the with Postman, I'm expecting the name to be Fred. I didn't do anything with these. I'm expecting the ID to be 1. So when I run this in Postman, my test results all pass, and I get a body back of 1. Now if I let's save that, and then let's copy this over just to my test, and instead of doing 1, let's do 2. Let's send, and that should give me Larry. If I do 3, that should give me Sam. If I do 4, I don't know what I'll get. Probably undefined or nothing. I got nothing. Okay. So we still need to do some handling. My tests. So if I do, instead of this, I do 5, send, I should have several tests that passed, or that fail. There was an error evaluating each other. Okay, so this parse failed. So that's probably an unsafe way to test that, but that's okay. Okay, so I've been focusing on test-driven development. My service, so my mock data is loaded up in my service, and then my service just does a find and gets those currently. So I need to do something more safe there, but it's I'm utilizing async with promises. Then I do have a couple interfaces created. An iStudent, which is real simple, it's just an ID name, complete task, next task, a student controller, so we already went over that, and then a spec. I've been focusing on trying to write tests for what I want before I create what I want, and that's been keeping me a little bit focused, or honed in a little better, so that's been exciting to see, or it's kind of exciting to start. I am going to call that a night, I believe. Is there anything else? No. This is fantastic.